Hi everyone, my name is Madison. I'm with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we have an awesome line dance for you. We're kicking it old school. We're doing Acky Breaky to the song Acky Breaky Heart by Billy Ray Cyrus. This is a 32 count, 4-wall dance, no tags, no restarts. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click that link below and let's get to it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our first set of 8 counts. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we're gonna start with a grapevine to the right. For those of you that don't know what a grapevine is, we're gonna step out with the right, behind with the left, out with the right, together with the left. We're then gonna kick that left boot out and we're gonna tap it twice. For heel, heel, we're gonna kick that toe back. We're also gonna tap it twice. For toe, toe. All right, let's go ahead and throw some counts on that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, vine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with that second set of 8 counts. We just finished our heel, heel, toe, toe. All of our weight is on our right foot. We're gonna grapevine to the left. We're gonna step out with the left, behind with the right, out with the left, and this time we're gonna scuff quarter turn to our 9 o'clock wall, and we're still gonna heel, heel, toe, toe. All right, let's throw some counts on that. Weights on the right, we're gonna grapevine to the left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, vine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and put that all together. Our first 16 counts. Here we go. Grapevine to the right. In 5, 6, 7, 8, vine 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe, left, 2, 3, turn, heel, heel, toe, toe. All right, let's go ahead and get started with that third set of 8 counts. We just finished on our 9 o'clock wall, but I'm gonna face the back wall so you guys can see what my boots are doing. All right, we just finished our heel, heel, toe, toe. Our weight is on our left. We're gonna take a step back with the right, take a step back with the left, take another step back with the right, and we're gonna hitch that left leg up. Then we're gonna walk forward, take a step with the left, take a step with the right, take a step with the left, and we're gonna scuff that right boot. Okay, let's go ahead and put some counts on it. I'm gonna face our 9 o'clock wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, hitch 4, walk 5, 6, 7, scuff 8. All right, you guys are doing awesome. Let's go ahead and put those first 24 counts together. Here we go. We're starting with a grapevine to the right. In 5, 6, 7, 8, vine 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe, left, 2, 3, turn, heel, heel, toe, toe, back 1, 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, scuff 8. All right, guys, you're almost there. We're on our last set of 8 counts. Now we will be on this wall, but I'm gonna face the back wall so you can see what my boots are doing. So we just finished with that scuff of our right boot. Our weight is on the left. We're gonna take a step with the right. We're gonna tap out with the left. We're gonna take a step with the left, tap out with the right. We're gonna rock forward on that right. We're gonna recover on the left. We're gonna bring it together and we're gonna clap. Okay, let's put some counts on that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now that you know what it looks like, we're gonna go ahead and face our 9 o'clock wall. We're gonna add some counts to it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, you made it. It's time to put it all together. All 32 counts. Here we go. Starting with the grapevine to the right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Vine 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Left, 2, 3. Turn, heel, heel, toe, toe. Back 1, 2, 3. Hitch 4, walk 5, 6, 7, scuff 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Congratulations, you guys made it. Wasn't that fun? That's one of my favorites. Okay, if you're ready to dance it out, go ahead and click this link and let's go stomp it out.